alerted flood warning. Whoa, 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 whoa.
The following is a flood warning from the National Weather Service. For the following county, Iroquois County, Illinois. The National Weather Service in Chicago has extended the flood warning for northern Benton County, northwest Indiana, southeastern Iroquois County and east central Illinois, southern Jasper County, northwest Indiana, southern Newton County, northwest Indiana, until 5 o'clock p.m. Tuesday/6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Tuesday at 10:41 a.m. or 11:41 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Local law enforcement officials reported flooding across the warned area with several roads remaining covered with standing and flowing water. Rainfall amounts of 4 to 6 inches have been reported, but with only scattered light showers and light rainfall amounts expected today. Despite the heavy rain ending, area rivers and creeks could still experience significant rises over the next 24 hours with any additional runoff today. Some locations that will experience flooding include Barce, Beaver City, Dunnington, Forsman, Fowler, Freeland Park, Gifford, Hanging Grove, Kentland, Lodgehill, McCoysburg, Moody, Percy Junction, Perkins and Pleasant Ridge. Do not drive your vehicle into areas where the water covers the roadway. The water depth may be too great to allow your car to cross safely.
You are listening to NOAA's Weather Radio, WNK24, serving Pontiac, Gibson City, Morris, and Ottawa.
Alright, so...
The current time is 10:52 a.m.
You had one of red message.
I don't know why that's turned down so much, but oh, sorry about that. Yeah, rare total alerted flood warning from the National Weather Service Chicago. So let's just take a look at scrolls. It is a flood warning, not a flash flood warning. Obviously, you saw the scroll on that. In that. Okay, ow. Why is it turned down so much?
Warned area with several roads remaining covered with standing and flowing water. Rainfall amounts of 4 to 6 inches have been reported, but with only scattered.
And lastly, on HH. Alright, thanks for watching.